So is he coming back soon?
I think so.
What the heck? Why are you standing up? Don't worry about it. Hey, stop it. I'll pick you.
No.
I stopped at the right time.
Okay, what do you have? It got worse.
I don't know how. I don't think I have pots anymore. Oh, no, you still have pots. Okay. Okay, I have an idea to get rid of your potsy. That green syringe again. Yeah. Now, yeah. Okay. This can't cure anything except you. Okay, you're much better. Yeah. Okay. So, it says you're still sick. I'm getting away from you.
That's very bad. I'm also getting away from you. Let's just back up. Don't kill him.
Okay. Let's not look at the. I know. Wait, what's our syringe? I don't know. So yeah, let's check what you have. Oh God, no! What do I have? Oh.
No.
Why you have a gun, Piggy?
If he gets close, I'm gonna shoot him.
If you get close, I'll shoot you.
Oh.
If he'll get close, I will shoot you if you shoot him. We'll get fired again. So, what do we do? I'm deleting that gun. What do I? Yeah. So, what happened to the dead monkey when he had the flu? Oh, we tried anything we can, but he died. Wait, what? Oh, it also says, in kitchen box, your head tennis bonus, you have the food too long. What? Yeah, it says it. No, I'm dead. Let's try everything, Piggy. Come on.
Yes.
Doop. You want to see that? Piggy, I don't think blood syringes are gonna help.
Let's shoot him at him.
What?
And we can do our 2 fruits later.
Are you feeling better? No. Oh, no. Or do you have a shotgun? Okay, if you don't help me, I'm shooting Piggy.
Okay. Why?
Because if I die, you're dying with me.
Oh, frick.
I'm back alive. Oh, okay. So, what do we do? The green syringe. Try the green syringe, Piggy. Hey, Piggy, stab him in the leg.
Okay. Okay, it does not work.
Anymore. It's just the work.
It says the flu. When you had the flu, a green syringe did not work.
No! Why was there a troll thing for you? Whatever, though. Oh, Mongol, is this us?
Shut up. Shut up!
Oh, okay. Beep, beep, boop, beep, beep. Okay, let's try a knife. What?
Okay, so So let's start the doctor. That does not work.
What the heck is happening then?
Oh no.
Okay, is he turning into a zombie?
The flu. The flu. He's dead. We're fine.
Well,
Okay.
we're not fired. We just didn't know what to do like that monkey. We used a lot of blood syringes though, so how about we escape?
With an Amber.
No, we had to. No witnesses. There's no witnesses ever. All our patients are okay. At least some of our patients like us, but I don't think if he comes back, he's gonna like us. So let's go, Piggy.
Like I described.
No. What happened here?
I guess you had the flu.
Wait, Pig Wyatt. Bad doctor, kinda. He's a bad doctor, kinda. He did this. An accident. He got the flu. I think I know what it sounded like. Sounded like that. Are you and Wyatt and Riley are gonna come to Earth someday?
What do you mean, Jerry?
They're gonna come to Earth. Oh, hello, I'm Alan Wyatt. Alan Reddy is sleeping right now. I'll be awake.
Let's just leave.
Yep.
I can drive.
Yeah.